recently, team, I've gone to get a deep tissue massage. I'm really trying to step up investing into my health and stuff like that. As most of you probably know, I train quite a lot, about 5 to 6 times a week, and that's, you know, a combination of weight training and running. For the next 5 weeks, I'm going to be going once a week, and then hopefully breaking down a lot of knots and tension, and then being able to ease it off to just going to once a month. But one thing that I thought I'd share with you lot that, I know, so it's what she told me, and obviously we all know sitting for a long period of time isn't the best. We typically think of it more as like your posture, right? At least that's the way I did. I always think, you know, you're sitting all the time, you're gonna get tight hip flexors, and obviously like your shoulders and stuff are gonna start protracting. It's retracting and protracting, so kind of like rounding forwards. But then one of the things she actually brought up, she was like, behind my kneecap, right, kind of just where your hamstring and your calf is, literally right behind your kneecap, she was like, is so much tension and so tight there. And she was like, this is why you're getting knee pains as well when you're like running and doing things like that, because when you're seated, and as you see in that last clip, when you're seated and you keep your legs bent at like 90 degrees or more, you're restricting the blood flow that's actually traveling through, and a lot of tension is held behind your kneecaps. So it's like one thing that I'm really trying to concentrate on, at least have your feet or like your legs at more of like a 45-degree angle or something like that. And obviously if you're gonna have a standing desk, that's a plus as well. It was really interesting for me, and I thought I'd share it with you lot because I'm also interested to see how this goes for myself. So yeah, think about that next time you're sitting down watching a movie or doing a lot of work, being seated for a long period of time, is try not to have your feet or your legs at a 90-degree angle. Knowledge. So about 2 months ago, roughly, Balenciaga actually reached out to me. They were like, hey, we'd love to send you something. They didn't tell me what it was. I was stoked. I was like, holy crap. Like, obviously that's amazing. And the shoes that he sent me, I'll show you those in a second, but I really do actually like those ones. A lot of you, I just can't remember the name of them. A lot of you would have seen them on my Instagram. I just got a notification a few days ago that a large parcel had been delivered to my old address. So I haven't ordered anything or anything like that. So I was like, what the hell could it be? And then I saw on Joel's story that he's been like sent these like ginormous boots from Balenciaga. And I've just gone and picked it up, and the box is over there. We're gonna unbox it together because that's the only thing I can think it is. And if it is those boots, it's gonna be very, very interesting. I told you it was a big box. Yeah, so this is just not gonna be as aesthetic as the other unboxings that I've done. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm actually really shook. I genuinely thought these were some very interesting boots, and this is an amazing tote bag from Balenciaga. I literally, holy fuck. Wow. I get it's just a bag, but that's so cool. I'll show it on body. I just need to calm down a little bit because that's crazy. Wow. Okay, so it is a little bit later. I've calmed down a little bit from the excitement. Picked up some eggs. You know, I like my eggs. Now I can show you the bag properly. Here is this bad boy. And wow, oh wow, oh wow. Do I love it. I don't have a mirror at my place yet. Oh, I'll show you in the bathroom actually. If you can see, that is what it is. Big ass tote bag, zebra stripes, black and white. Absolutely love it. This is actually how the bag looks to give you a better idea. Big as, like, so much space in here. Like, absolutely love it. And what I love as well is the fact that obviously you've got the shoulder straps here, but then if I wore it down by my side, it's pretty much gonna touch the floor. That you've got the shorter handles as well to hold by your side, which you can't really see, but it'll look like that.
I love it. It's definitely something I would wear with like more of a play down outfit. I think it's gonna very quickly become one of my favorite bags.
To me, it's still like this just crazy thing, like, you know, just a kid from New Zealand, and then, you know, you've got Balenciaga and stuff. you know, so I'm extremely grateful. I've got on as well on foot the sneakers they sent back about 2 months ago, so I'll show them to you now. So a lot of you have been asking for like a review on these, which I'm not really gonna do. Like I'll do it just a little bit now. I really like them. They gave them to me in the really nice gray color. A lot of people ask like, oh, like, are they better than the tracks? And I'd say the tracks are definitely more of a wearable shoe. These are comfortable. They do take a little bit of time getting used to like walking in them, but the tracks are definitely more of a versatile shoe that you can constantly wear, where these are like, they're cool, but I doubt you'd want to be in them like as your main shoe all the time. This is kind of what they look like. I like wearing them with sweatpants like this and then just having them stack on them. The heel, it doesn't move as much as you like think it does, like when you walk, and they definitely, when you walk, they roll you forwards. But yeah, this is what they look like. Like I really do like them. I definitely wear them more with like a chill kind of streetwear outfit.
With the sportswear.
But I think it looks great with anything casual, bro. The only thing that we're looking at with this one is potentially making it a little bit longer, just like a little bit, so you also have a bit more room to tuck in, to be able to allow yourself to tuck it in, but then also have the overhang. So right now it seems to be a little too short. Trying on the Tom Wood ring, it's actually like stuck. That's a sign, bro. Oh no, do it that way. Yeah.
Well, you're gonna have to get it now.
So first off, I absolutely love this bag. Like it is so handy to take out and the style of it is sick. So I just got back from sampling the two vests and I actually thought I'd show you a little bit of a better just on body now so you guys can actually see. Remember, it's not quite the finished product yet, but you know, let me know your comments and the thoughts. Let me know your comments and the thoughts. Let me know your comments. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. I need some watermelon. This is the black one. Again, both fits are the exact same. The black one is actually a slightly different material to the white. They will naturally be a little bit tighter at first, but then they do stretch. What I do personally like about it myself, which you'll probably see better on the white, is actually how it's fitted across the chest, but then it's not too like tight in the body, which is what I like. Obviously though, I'm wanting to add a little bit more length on it. I think it's a little bit too cropped, and like I mentioned earlier, if you go to tuck it in, you want to have enough material to be able to have that overhang, where here you're going to start to run out. So here's the white one. Again, you see that a bit better of what I was saying about it's fitted to the chest, but then it's a little bit more breathable and relaxed in the body, which is what I like. I really hate vests that just come down low or throughout the day sag down like that. The goal is definitely to have a nice fitted bit here at the top, and again, just a little bit more length. So team, like I said, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, how you think of the fit and everything overall. And then once I get the adjustments again made on this, I'll show you a nice little update as well. By the way, I was trying out the Tom Wood rings. I haven't purchased anything yet. I've had my eye on a Tom Wood ring for probably like, I'd say at least 2 years. I find it very hard to invest in jewelry, but Tom Wood's been the one that I've been eyeing up for a long time, and I love the brown in that ring. So we will see. For now, I want to think about it and see if it's something that I'm truly happy with. That's in a bit.